In the purport, Prabhupada is mentioning that Vidura's example, Vidura's behavior sets an example for all of us that we should not remain in a place where Krishna or his devotee is blasphemed or neglected, or where there is a misbehavior towards Krishna or his devotee. In fact, any place where there is where the people have no connection to Krishna should be avoided diligently by a devotee. In the Chaitanya Chandrodaya Nataka, it is stated, Nishkinchanasya Bhagavad Bhajanon Mukhasya Param Param Jigamishor Bhavasagarasya Sandarshanam Vishayinam Atha Yoshitam Cha Ha Hanta Hanta Vishabhakshanatopyasadhu. In the Chaitanya Chandrodaya Nataka, it is stated that for a person who is Nishkinchana, who has given up everything else, Kinchana means something, Nishkinchana means one who has no material possessions. Nishkinchanasya Bhagavad Bhajanonmukhasya, and one who has given up everything else and one who is exclusively rendering devotional service to Krishna. For what is he rendering devotional service to Krishna? Is it for getting some material wealth or some material possession or some fame or to relieve himself from some miseries? For what is he engaged in devotional service to Krishna? Nishkinchanasya Bhagavad Bhajanonmukhasya Param Param Jigamashor Bhavasagarasya. One who is rendering devotional service to Krishna with the motive, with the strong desire for what? To Param Param, to cross over, to go over to the other bank of Bhavasagara. The Vaitarani river is known as Bhavasagara. Why? Because the Vaitarani river separates the material world from the spiritual world. The moment we in this material universe are situated on one bank of Vaitarani river, if we cross over the Vaitarani river, we are in the spiritual world. You can imagine two sides of the river, it is two banks of the river. One bank is the material universe, the other bank is the spiritual universe. And because the material universe is full of birth and death, therefore the Vaitarani river is also known as Bhavasagara, meaning the ocean of birth and death. Because even though Vaitarani river is a river, it is huge enough to be compared to an ocean in this material world. And therefore, even though it is a river, it is referred to as Bhavasagara. It is an ocean of birth and death. For a person who wants to Param Param, he wants to Jigamishoho, he wants to cross over this Vaitarani river, and Param Param, he wants to reach the other bank of Vaitarani river, which is the spiritual world. And with this intention, with this desire, the person is rendering devotional service to Krishna, giving up everything else. Being exclusively devoted to Krishna, he is rendering devotional service. For what? With the intention, with the desire to cross over the Vaitarani river and enter into the spiritual world. For such a person whose only goal in life is to cross over this ocean of birth and death, and whose only goal is to cross over this ocean of birth and death and enter into the spiritual world, which is free of birth and death. For such a person, Sandarshanam Vishayinam Atha Yoshitam Cha. For such a person, Sandarshanam, a meeting, even a meeting with a Vishayi, with a person whose goal in life is Vishaya, material sense gratification. His goal is not to cross over Vaitarani river. His goal is not to cross over Bhavasagara and enter into the spiritual world. He has no such desire in life. His only goal in life is Vishaya. I want to enjoy the senses nicely. I want to make nice arrangements, have earned a lot of money, have a nice house, have a nice bungalow, marry a beautiful woman, have some children, have a good car, have some nice prestigious position, designation in some company, become the MD, CEO, or the owner, chairman, or whatever, good designation, become famous, and be respected by a lot of people. This is the goal of life of a Vishayi. To even meet such a person, or a woman, to meet a Vishayi or a person who is engrossed in sense gratification, or to meet a woman, ha hanta hanta, alas, alas, vishabhakshanatopya sadhu, it is worse than drinking poison. In other words, one must be ready to give up one's life if one is not able to achieve the association of devotees. If one is stuck in the association of materialists and in the association of women, then one must give up one's life.